Hello friends, so for today I have this beautiful tomahawk steak. So we're just gonna try this. This is my first time doing this, so we're just gonna try cooking this in the oven. I don't have a charcoal grill, so we're just gonna try. I mean, I have, but I don't think it would fit the whole thing. It's just indoor charcoal grill. So I'm gonna season this with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. We're just gonna pat it dry first, just to make sure it's all dry. And we're gonna season this. This has been out of the, by the way, this is frozen. I had this delivered. I bought it from Shopee. So this has been delivered frozen, and it's been out for maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, but I can still feel that it's still cold. So after I season this, I'm still gonna leave it out for a while, so that it would reach room temperature, because we don't want the middle to be raw, because I don't have a meat thermometer where I can poke inside. So I won't trim, by the way, I won't trim this part. I don't think that's necessary because it's just gonna be a waste. So I'll just season this and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, so there you have it. It's already seasoned both sides. I seasoned it thoroughly because the meat is very thick, so as you can see, maybe it's what, 2 inches, 3 inches. So we're just gonna let this sit for an hour. Still cold, a little bit cold. So I'll just let it sit for 1 hour, and then I'll just check the temperature first before I put it inside the oven, to make sure it's on room temperature, and it will cook thoroughly when I put it in the oven. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so right now, so it's already fully seasoned. It's been an hour. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this inside the foil. I'll just wrap this and then put it inside the oven. So the oven will be, I think it's 100 degrees Celsius. And then I'll cook it for 1 hour. And then after that, I'm gonna sear it with the cast iron grill. Okay, so I'll let you guys see once it's done. So I'm preheating my oven at 150 degrees Celsius. My oven has this fan with grill, so I'm not gonna put the what do you call this, the tomahawk inside under a grill pan, but I'll just put it here on the rack itself. I just place like a drip pan just in case the juice comes out, so it doesn't mess up my oven, so I don't have to clean it afterwards. So I'm gonna preheat it for 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna put it inside the tomahawk inside the oven, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I took the steak out, and as you can see, looks good. So I'm just gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. See if the heat will cook all the way through, and then I'm going to sear it from the grill rack or pan or whatever you call that. Yep, so looks good. So we're searing it now. So just press it so just to make sure everything is evenly done. By the way, I'm using a glove so just to make sure it doesn't burn you. Yeah. So it's still not done. Okay, so I'll just let this sear, then once it's finished, I'll let you guys see. Okay, so after I flip it, I'll put some butter. This is so it doesn't dry out. So you can see it's quite nice. I'm also gonna sear the sides so it will look even as much as possible. And let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's out of the pan. As you can see, it has a really good sear. So we'll just let this sit for 5 minutes and then we're gonna cut. See if it's perfect medium rare. Yeah, there's an incision there because I try to check just to make sure it's cooked all the way through, since as I've said, I don't have a meat thermometer, so just want to make sure, but everything seems fine, so we'll see. So here's the moment of truth. Yep.